Hey everyone, Deb here. I'm here for hashtag Shuffle Cut Create. This is hosted by Martha Makes Art. I will link her channel as well as put the hashtag in. And what it is on the 25th of each month, Martha takes two decks of cards that already have words on them that she did at the beginning of the year, and she pulls one from each deck. And then those are the prompts for us to make something. I am choosing to make things on, what did I do with them? I don't know. Oh, here. These recollections flat cards. They're 5x7 cards. They're not folded cards. They're just flat cards. And I'll show you the first ones I did. I missed week 1, so I started with month 1. I started with month 2, which is paper and student. And then I did month 3, which was last month, which was cows and music. And so last month I used this day at the farm paper, certain papers. Well, this month the prompts are farm and dishes. I thought, oh man. So I pulled out the same paper but different sheets because it has farms in it. This one, the background was part of it, and I cut out the cows. I think I fussy cut them actually. So the one I did this month is a little different than that. This was a background paper, and it has the barn and the silo and some hens, chickens, or whatever they are, some sheep, and there's a cow down here and here, and some grassy area and plants and trees. And so there's the farm, and then you can't see it, but my initial thinking was I had to have a strip over here because this piece actually was cut to 6x6 before. I had to have a piece over here, and what it was this, which is the back of that. And I was originally thinking picnic and pies, but I didn't really have dishes except for a circle for the pies. And then I found this piece of paper that had all these vegetables on it in the same paper pack. So I decided to make my own dishes out of these two circles, and also one of them I think I used the deckled circles, which is sort of broken china, this one up here, because I didn't have one that exactly fit around there. These were cut with these that have stitching, and then the deckled circle is the dish in the background of that. Now there was a bowl in this set I found. I went looking for cooking stuff, and I had an apron and all that, but I just used the apron a week or so ago for something else. So I did stamp what's cooking. I stamped the knife, the salt and pepper shakers, and the bowl and the spoon. I didn't use this one or the measuring cups and stuff. I didn't really have enough room. Well, I could have, but I didn't want to cover up the farm. So anyway, I have that plaidish paper over here, and I was going to make little mini picnic table cloths. I decided not to. This was in the dies, this cutting board. So I fussy cut some, I traced this paper around here, and then I cut inside of the lines to put the vegetables there, and I stamped what's cooking in garden green by Stampin' Up. And I fussy cut around that and just glued it onto there. And then this, I was going to make it interactive, and I decided not to. But I did punch a hole and put this linen thread, thin, it's like thin baker's twine, um, on there. I just add a little something. This is stamped in crushed curry. Now the bowl does not have a slit there. So I had to take my cutting thingy very carefully with a mat under it and I cut a slit right along the front of the inside of the bowl, and I fussy cut out an ear of corn, some broccoli, a pepper, you think that's an onion, and some tomatoes, and put them in the bowl like we're making a fresh vegetable dish or something. And then it's on the dishes to eat. Yeah, right. It must be like a stir fry, right? It's a stir fry. Or just a plate of fresh veggies. That's okay too. When I was young, my mother had a garden and we loved eating the fresh tomatoes right off the plant, wash them off, eat them like an apple kind of thing. Yum. And yeah, we used to have a lot of green beans. I hated, started to hate green beans because I always got stuck with the chore of, cleaning them. But no, I love green beans too. This is a wooden spoon, has a little nick in it even apparently from the stamp set, and I stamped that in pecan pie on crumb cake. And these colors are all Stampin' Up! Colors, by the way, just because that's what I have the most of. Um, and this I stamped in Memento Tuxedo Black on, I can't remember if this is gray granite or smoky slate. Sorry, it's one of those two. And the bowl is stamped in crushed curry. These are pecan pie stamped in white because they're wooden salt and pepper shakers. And this ribbon, did I show that to you? That 99 cents. I think I got this at a yard sale. Oh yeah, 35 cents. No, I think that was a thrift shop actually. Thrift shop buy. So that's it. And I didn't write or do anything on the back yet, but there's the 5x7 card front. And what I'm doing is I'm putting them in here with, let me find them. Uh-oh. Where'd they go? Here they are. Okay. These Scotch reusable squares. And I'm just, well, maybe I am. Says it's reusable, but I got the thing stuck on it. I'm just putting them in 4 corners and putting them in here because I don't know if later I want to take them out. And just putting them on the sheet and writing at the top what the prompts were. I think I'll put one in the middle too. Boop. I hope you're all having a great, today is Thursday when I'm recording this, but you may not see this video until Friday. I had a super busy day today, just with not just crafting, but other cleaning the house some. Which way do I want this? This way, I guess. Yeah, they can face each other. Is that too close to the edge? A little bit. And what I just do with my pen, here we go. So this is Martha Makes Art. Is the channel, the host. It's hashtag shuffle, cut, create. I think her channel name has like an underline there and there. Anyway, April 25, 2024. And the prompts are farm and dishes. So this one, I don't know, I was struggling. I think because it's kind of the end of the day here and I don't know. I'm not as good in the evening, but I think it came out okay. I like my musical one from last month better, but I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And if you liked anything about this video, which is a very fun challenge, by the way. Normally, I'm just kind of tired, as usual. Yeah, so, but if you liked anything about this, please consider giving me a thumbs up. I really need the channel to grow a little bit, and yeah, I would appreciate it greatly. So, thank you so much for watching, and do go check out Martha Makes Art if you haven't already. And see, I don't know that she's done hers yet. She pulled the cards, but click on the hashtag, you never know, and just check back throughout the month because others will let you have until next month, May 25th when she does the next drawing for this particular challenge. So it's fun, and once a month I can handle. So, yeah, lots of fun. Thanks, Martha, and thank you everyone for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.